Today, I'm about to show you one of the easiest types of videos to create. And right now, it's exploding across social media. Millions of views, massive attention, huge opportunity. The best part? It's simple, it's fast, and anyone can do it. No complicated skills, no expensive setup. Hello everyone, I hope you're ready, because today, we're going to create it together. Let's get started.
Dust on the windowsill, mug rings on the coffee table. You're humming while the kettle sings, old sweater hanging off your shoulder. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, you laughing in this quiet room. Nothing fancy, nothing grand, just your heartbeat in my hand. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, I could spend my life with you, right here in this messy, gentle view. Plants leaning toward the light, your socks never match, and I like it. You read half a page, then talk instead, lose the plot, but I don't mind it. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, you dancing with a wooden spoon. Hey! Nothing planned, but somehow still, every second feels so filled. Soft mornings, slow afternoons, pressed against the fading blue. I could spend my life with you.